Assalamualaikum Yani. Bisa dengar Ibu, Nak?
Bisa, bisa.
Alhamdulillah. How was your mid test? Mid semester test? Bagaimana ujian midnya? Before we come to our lesson today, ya, it's better for us to have a moment to pray. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Amin. Okay, have you taken your breakfast?
Udah, Bu.
Udah, alhamdulillah. Kita masuk materi ini ya. So what do you have is prosedur teks. Mungkin waktu SMP sudah pernah belajar prosedur teks juga. Prosedur teks so step ya. Nah kalau di SMP apa yang kita pelajari itu? Langkah-langkah apa? Mungkin dia dikenal dengan how to. Ingat? Ada yang ingat? Yani? Oke, welcome to my class Andini Ika Putri. How is everything? How are you? Ya, kita langsung ke sini aja lagi. Jadi kalau di SMP, you studied about resep. Ya, kebanyakan resep ya, resep masakan. Masih enggak how to make a fried rice? Ada yang masih ingat? Waktu SMP-nya? How to...
Ada, Bu.
Ada. Iya, oke ya. Jadi masih ingat ya. Nah, kalau untuk SMK, kita fokusnya pada manuals and tips. Apa itu Ananda?
Sebaiknya kita istirahat sekarang. Kita harus
The
mengikuti ujian besok pagi.
This is how to analyze the social function, generic structure, and language feature of procedure text, both in spoken and written forms. Related to asking and giving information about manuals and tips correctly. And then, how to specify the information about manual and tips. Okay, you got it from here? Look at the following picture, then answer question about it. Yeah, I will give you a picture, and then you try to answer it, okay? Terima kasih buat anak-anak ibu yang baru datang. Alhamdulillah semuanya udah makin makin berkomitmen untuk bisa ikut. Oke ya. Do you know this picture? Kamera. Ya, oke. Clear picture, right? Jelas gambarnya ya. Oke. Talking about the picture, there are some questions that lead you to the picture. Have you ever used digital camera?
Pernah, Bu.
Yeah. Okay, good. Thank you, Andini. Do you know how to operate it? So, is there anyone knows? Ada yang lain yang pernah pakai nggak? Yang pernah tahu? Okay. Now, can you operate it well? What will you do first? Gimana caranya? Apa yang mau dilihat? Okay, absolutely right. Turn on your camera. Ya. Lalu di mana kita bisa melihatnya itu, Fitra? We buy a new camera, right? Kita beli kamera baru nih. We don't know how to operate. Okay, what is manual? Jadi ini dia. A book or guidelines that gives you practical instruction. Apa maksudnya itu, Nanda? Practical instruction. Apa maksudnya itu? Instruksi yang bagaimana? Oh, good. Yang bisa dipraktekkan ya. Good. on how to do something. Ya, jadi yang bisa dipraktekkan untuk melakukan sesuatu or how to use something. Ya, such as mesin. Jadi kalau SMK dia lebih ke arah penggunaan alat Ananda ya. Kalau di TKJ apa kira-kira kita perlu baca dulu sebelum belajar pakai alatnya. Apa kira-kira alatnya? Belum ada.
Mesin print.
Oke, good. Thank you, Raihan. Next. What is the tips on manual? Kalau ada manual, should be there is a tips. What is the tips on a manual? Apa, Raihan?
Saran.
Saran. Selain saran?
Cara Bu.
Ya, cara. The way of what? Cara yang bagaimana?
Cara melakukan
Cara yang simpel.
Cara yang simple. Oke, good. And then, Andini?
cara melakukan sesuatu, Bu.
Ya, sama dia dengan manual berarti. Lebih kemana ini kalau tips ini? Ya, Andini?
Menggunakannya, Bu.
Ya, to make it faster or slower? Kalau tips.
Faster.
Yes, good. This is the definition of the tips. The tricks, oke ya. Jadi cara, tricks. Or advices how you get better at manual. Yeah, okay, good. Next. Pay attention to the following short manual, then answer the question about it. You get it the instruction, Ananda?
Yes.
Okay, good. What manuals will be? Now, based on the step, what is the title of the manual?
How to use your camera.
How to use?
Your camera.
Okay, good. Lalu, why does the writer? Yeah, it's going to be the question. Why does the writer write this text? Nah, ini yang akan kita pelajari. Based on the purpose of the learning today, the social function and the language feature of manual. First, then, after that, second, finally. Iya, dia pakai itu juga. And then, imperative sentence. Nah, ini dia. Generic structure. Ya, jadi yang the text is structured by. Jadi yang menyusun sebuah teks ini dialah dia. Ada tujuannya, ada langkah-langkahnya, ada nanti bahasa yang dipakai, kalimat yang dipakai. Okay, yeah. Now for comprehending more about this topic, please come to your worksheet. I have shared in your WhatsApp group ya. Ananda, so far, do you get what the ideas of the topics about?
Tentang
Jangan
Control
ragu-ragu.
text.
Tentang prosedur teks.
Tutorial text.
Iya, tutorial teks. Boleh itu. You got the point? Yeah, okay. Thank you for joining this class. I hope you enjoy studying with me. Yeah. Okay, don't forget to fill in your attendance list ya. Jangan lupa mengisi absennya di Google Classroom. And if you have more discussion about it, you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. So I think I have to stop this meeting. I will come to the next class. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, yeah.